Can you hear the bell ringing around? Because it's Saturday morning. Fantastic.
Hello my friends and welcome to this beautiful spot. This film is about positive solitude. There's something every artist knows. Solitude can be a cradle for creativity. Positive solitude fosters mindfulness. It moves like a silent storm, breaking what is no longer alive, sending our roots deeper, gifting us independence, letting us begin again. It is an invincible spring that restores, reignites, and builds. As Charlotte Brontë once wrote, I care for myself. The more solitary, the more friendless, the more unsustained I am, the more I will respect myself. So, embrace your personal sovereignty. Step outside and create. It doesn't matter what you film. It doesn't matter what you photograph. It doesn't matter what gear you use. It doesn't matter the music or the editing. What matters is that you feel free. What matters is that you enjoy the process. What matters is that you chase beauty and never stop cultivating wonder.
Never mind. It was fun, right? It was great fun. Very, very nice morning. Beautiful, beautiful color. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye. Ciao.
Look, there is a little kitty cat close to my car. Just over there. Kitty cat, come on.